Ladies and gentlemen, start your bid bots.
I will find out. Ashton, just one second.
Any music for this we want?
Yeah, Sam. Sam, what's your requested auction music?
What kind of selection do we have here?
What? I don't know.
All kinds.
Do you have like death metal?
We have YouTube, so whatever is on YouTube.
Oh, I see. What about like some? Do you guys know like XOC, the guy who does the covers of Kirby music? I've always killed for that.
Oh.
1 second. We just need to.
Pulling that up at the moment.
No, it's right there.
Oh.
It's that one.
Oh, no, he doesn't understand.
Oh, but then you can see Sam Logan. You can see what the name is. Oh, is that it?
Oh, I see what you're saying. In the meantime. Alright.
Sorry.
Technical difficulties.
One moment.
Administrative duties.
There's a puppy back here, so it's kind of distracting.
Well, I'll do a little dance.
Oh, you're searching in challenges.
I'm failing at this so badly.
Just stand by. We are
there are so many windows.
284.
284.
It is 284. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. All right. So, whoa. All right.
This happens quickly.
300.
Yeah.
Okay, so Sam.
The music up?
No, sorry, XOC. Sam, remind us what we're bidding on.
Yes, we are bidding on this beautiful piece of Yoshi Revenge, and also the slightly related but not really Tanooki Plumber T-shirt in the size and gendered shirt of your choice.
500 already.
Yes. Well then.
I can just like cycle them back and forth.
Let's try this. Let's see if the music works.
Sounds good.
550 from DoctorVancouver. Not accepted. 600.
So Green Bat currently leading at 500. I see bids of higher. I see a $600 bid from Honduras 64 there. Oh, James, wait. This is on mute.
Turn it down.
Turn that down.
Yeah.
All right.
Hold the picture higher. Oh yeah, am I getting cropped off the bottom or something? Like I can't.
600 from Honduras 64.
Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. I can sing.
650. Dr. Vancouver.
650 from Dr. Vancouver. Good heavens. 700 from Mighty Magnus. Yeah. You're right. Yoshi does look really happy.
Kind of gleeful.
730 already.
730 from Dr. Vancouver. Sound down on the music.
Slider down.
I see 740 from Melchior the Mage. Missed out on the Jamie Heineman bobblehead, but he's back now. He got back on the bidding horse.
Back on the bidding Mario.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, you should get on that. Like that one. Okay, they're not.
740 from Melchior the Mage, the current leading bid. I don't see any other bids. Oh, 750 from Dr. Vancouver. Fantastic.
Go, Dr. Vancouver. Yeah, Vancouver.
Dr. Vancouver leading at 750. Those are both really awesome. Yeah, we can't hear the music.
For the channel, for the iTunes. Now move up. That column.
Yeah.
Honduras says he's out, or someone says Honduras says he's out. All right, so I think we're gonna say it's not just his shirt; it's also a piece of art.
You realize what that means, right?
It's also a piece of original art.
Why is Ashton phoning me?
Okay,
Hello?
I think we're gonna say going once.
Art drawn before another class.
Going once, Dr. Vancouver for $750. Oh yeah, where's the gavel? Whatever, I have this fan. We're gonna say going twice. Dr. Vancouver for $750.
I will look.
I'm so ready. Best moment of the day.
It's all downhill from here, guys.
There we go.
Way to go, James! You figured it out.
That was so much more fun. Exactly. It's so weird when there's no music playing.
It's gone once. It's gone twice. Snipe now or forever hold your silence.
Take the shot.
Make him happy.
Sold! $750.